students, in this lecture of 8th chapter transition and inner transition elements, we are going to start about the lanthanoids, that is properties of lanthanoids, properties of lanthanoids, from which first is ionization, enthalpies. Ionization enthalpies is opposite to the trend atomic radius, that is atomic radius for lanthanoid along the period. Atomic radius is decreases, therefore the ionization enthalpies are increases, means from atomic number or lanthanum to the lutetium, the ionization enthalpies increases. In this point, the chart of 8.12, that is ionization enthalpies of lanthanoids RE1, RE2 and RE3 are skipped from syllabus for this year. Only the statement about ionization enthalpies is ionization enthalpy increases along the period, means from lanthanum to the lutetium. Then second property is about oxidation state. Oxidation state of lanthanoids, the common oxidation state of lanthanoids is +3. The common oxidation state of lanthanoid is +3 due to the 2 electrons of subshell. For example, the electronic configuration of lanthanoids, xenon 4F 0 to 14 and 5D 0 to 2, then 6s2. From this data, the oxidation state of lanthanoids, common oxidation state is +3. The 4F electrons from 0 to 14, 5D 0 to 2, and in 6s there is 2 electrons. 6s 2 electrons, one is parallel, another is anti-parallel. Therefore 2 electrons are losses simultaneously, and 1 electron from 4F, means in all lanthanum to lutetium, that is atomic number 57 to 71, all element contains 4F1, 4F2, 4F3 continue to the 4F14. That is common oxidation state is +3. Then it also shows variable oxidation states, means some lanthanoids shows oxidation is +2 and +4, +2 and +4. Then they are formed in case of F0, F7 and F14 configuration or resulting element. For example, selenium having atomic number 58. For example, selenium 58 configuration is xenon having atomic number 54, remaining 4 electrons, that is 4F xenon, 4F2 and 6s2. From this configuration, electron in S, there is 2 electrons. For F contains 7 orbitals, 2 electrons. First 2 orbital contains unpaired electron. 2 electrons simultaneously losses, therefore oxidation state is +2. Again from here, 1 electron, single electron, therefore it releases single in single form. Therefore 2 and 1 plus 3, 2, 3, 4 means +4. The ability of oxidation state is +2, 2 plus 4. Means some element shows oxidation state +2, 2 plus 4 means +2, +3 and +4. 2 electron losses +2. 1 electron from 4F means +3, again another 1 electron means +4. Means some lanthanoid shows +2 to +4 oxidation state, from which +3 is common. Means all lanthanoid shows +3 oxidation state. Then color and spectra. Color and spectra is also depends on the number of unpaired electron present in the last orbital, that is F, 4F. Here lanthanoid contains in 4F, 4F1, 4F2, 4F3 continue to the 4F14. Means some element shows half-filled electrons in color and spectra. Color and spectra is depends on the number of unpaired electron in the outermost shell. When lanthanoids are trivalent means common oxidation state is +3 means Yum +3. Lanthanoid denoted by Yum and common oxidation state is +3. Therefore Yum +3. It shows property is colored compound because of M+3 shows number of unpaired electron in outermost shell means F. Here the chart for some examples. For example, promethium +3. The number of the last configuration is 4F2. Last configuration is 4F2. Color of this compound is green. Due to the in 4F there is unpaired electrons are 2. Also the 14 minus N of electrons 14. Total capacity of F orbital is 14. Therefore 14 minus 2. 14 minus 2 means 12 electron. 12 electron in outermost empty spaces. Therefore also in Tm plus 3 means thulium atomic number is 69 and the electronic configuration is atomic number is 69. Electronic configuration shows Xe 4F 13 6s 2. 3 plus means lost by 3 electron, that is 2 from 6s and 1 from 4f. It get configuration occupies 4f 12 and 6s 0. Plus 3 charge acquires due to loss of 3 electron, 1 from 6s, 2 from 6s and 1 from 4f. Therefore the Tm 3 plus shows oxidation electronic configuration is xenon 4f 12 and 6s 0. Here 4f contains 12 electron, 4f orbital contains 7 block 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. First 7 are parallel and remaining 5 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 means 2 electrons are unpaired, that is the compound is colored means green colored. this compound Tm3 plus also green in color, because last combination is 4f12. Again Nd3 plus, neodymium, Nd3 plus neodymium shows 60 atomic number. The electronic configuration of this compound is 4f xenon, 4f4, 6s2. Xenon having atomic number 54 and 4, 58 and 2, 16 is total electron 16. From which Nd3 plus means by loss of 3 electron, 2 from here and 1 from here. That is remaining configuration is xenon 4f3 6s0 means 4f3 means in outermost shell 4f orbital contains unpaired electrons are 3. That is total electrons of the 4f electrons 14 means 14 minus 3. 14 minus 3 that is 11. 11 electrons are empty means here number of unpaired electron 3. So this compound is colored when here last orbital contains 0 electron or number of fulfilled electron, then the compound is colorless. But here 3 electrons are unpaired, therefore this compound is in pink color. Means the property of color is depends on the number of 4f electrons. The electromagnetic spectrum is due to f transition, means last orbital is f, 4f. The f transition shows spectrum in visible region to the corresponding energy, and this spectra is depends on the NF electron. NF electron means this NF electron. If NF electrons are where n is an integer means 1 to 13, n is equal to 11, here n is equal to here 3 means 14 minus 3, the n is the 1 to 13. If n is equal to 1 to 13, then the compound is color. Again, the next point of lanthanoids is atomic and ionic radii. That is lanthanoid contraction. Lanthanoid contraction is important for HSC board exam for definition for 1 marks and description for 2 marks. Lanthanoid contraction is depend on the atomic and ionic radii of the lanthanoids, means from lanthanium to the lutetium, means from atomic number 57 to 71, that is 4f series. Lanthanium to the lutetium. Here, as we move along the period or along the 4f series, the atomic and ionic radii decreases due to increasing the atomic number, but the number of shell is same, therefore the contraction takes place. That is, as we move along the lanthanoid series, decrease in the atomic and ionic radii. This phenomenon is called as lanthanoid contraction. The radii lanthanum charge is decreases by next one, that is from selenium, promethium. Selenium, the plus charge increases by +1, again +2, +3, continue. Means along the series, the charge of nucleus is increases by per 1 unit, is +1. Therefore, this increasing the charge, one electron added to the outermost shell. Therefore, the +1 charge is contracts the electron. Continue, one electron is added to the outermost shell, increases the 1 plus charge, lanthanum to lutetium. Therefore, the contraction takes place. Means the positively charged nucleus contract the outermost electron. Therefore, radius get decreases. Means this phenomenon is called as lanthanoid contraction. Here, for lanthanoid contraction, the graph is represented as a follows. That is, and at y-axis there is ionic radius. In x-axis the elements atomic number, that is lanthanum, cerium, promethium, neodymium, pm, sm, continue to the lutetium. The contraction means the radius is decreases. About 85, 90, 100. First, here for lanthanum, the radius is below to the 105 picometer. Or again, next cerium shows radius decreasing order. Again here, this graph like means here the radius is continue decreases along the period, means lanthanum to the lutetium. Radius is decreases. This decrease in radius from lanthanum to the lutetium, this phenomenon is called as lanthanoid contraction. Then the next point of this topic is application of lanthanoids. Lanthanoids mostly used in household utensils. Application of lanthanoids mostly used inside every household, also inside the color television sets, this TV tube, when electrons are bombarded on certain mixed lanthanoid elements, they emit visible light, means colored light. In TV set tube, some lanthanoids compound are mixed. When the electrons are bombarded on the mixed lanthanoid compounds, this tube emits the light, various types of light, that is small visible light or small wavelength range. Also, inside the surface of TV tube or computer monitor is coated with tiny patches of 3 types of lanthanoids, and these 3 types of lanthanoids to give 3 colors that makes the color images. TV or monitor tube contains 3 types of lanthanoid, and these lanthanoids emits the various types of wavelength color light. Therefore the images forms in color. Then lanthanoids are also used in amplifier, are significant for the optical devices, that is erbium. Lanthanoids compound erbium is used for, this compound is used in amplifiers. Also lanthanoids is used for hybrid cars, superconductors and in permanent magnets. Also lanthanoids are used. Then next point is actinoids. This point is of lanthanoids up to this lanthanoid contraction and application of lanthanoids. The next point is actinoids. Actinoid is the elements from atomic number 89 to the 103, means 89 to 103, 14 elements, total 14 elements from the D block from 7th period interrupted and shift to the bottom of D block elements. Means if here this is periodic table 7 and 6, from 7, 6, here from 57 to 71 interrupted and shift to the bottom of the periodic table 6, 7 and also 7 from 89 to 103 interrupted from 7th period and shift to the bottom 89 to 103, 57 to 71. This is 4F series and 5F series, 6th period and 7th period. Means the 5F series called as actinoids. The elements shifted from actinium, therefore called as series called as actinoids. Means the actinoids from atomic number 89 to 103, total 14 elements. Then the first point of actinoid is electronic configuration of actinoids. The electronic configuration actinium shows atomic number is 89. The less atomic number containing element of noble gas. For write the electronic configuration means radon. Radon having atomic number is 86. Radon having atomic number 86. Radon 86. 89 minus 86, 3 electrons. Means, and the representation of electronic configuration of actinoid is radon. Radon is common to all elements, and 5F, 6D and 7S. This is representation of electronic configuration of actinoid. Then enter the electrons 5F, 6D and 7S. Here in actinium the 4F0, since last electron enter in the 61, means it behaves like D block elements, and 7S2 is common to all configuration, only changes in 5F and 6D. Then second thorium 90, atomic number is 90. Radon is 56, remaining 4 electrons. 5F0, 62, 7S2, means thorium also behaves as a D block element because of last electron enter in the D orbital. Then 91, 5F in place of 4F, 5F1. 1 electron is jumped from 5F to 6D. Due to 5F and 6D near about same energy. Then 91, Pa91, radon 5F2, 61, 7S2, 61, means here the 2 unpaired electron in 5F, again 92, uranium, radon 5F3, 61, case of 8, one electron is jumped from 6 to the 5 here.